Patrick and Jack at Pals, and we've got the 73 TR6. Jack's got the carburetors rebuilt, and we've got some bad gas in this car. The customer must have put ethanol gas in it because it's in bad shape. So what Jack is doing is he's manually pumping the gas into a clear bottle so we can check it out. Now, of course, we've got some fresh gas to put in there. You know, folks, if you've got an old car and it does a lot of sitting, you cannot use ethanol gas in it. You've got to use non-ethanol fuel, or a lot of varnish will build up and the car won't run right. And that's what the problem is with this TR6. Now, Jack has taken the carburetors off and he's completely rebuilt them. And he's going to keep pumping this until we get the sediment out, until we get the varnish out. Then we're going to start the car with fresh fuel, and we're going to set the carburetors. If you've got a 73 TR6, bring it to Pals. See you soon.